Welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Again, the pre-market outlook today for 6th of September 2024. Everybody's looking forward to economic data coming out, non-farm payrolls. It's going to come out at 8:30 probably when this video will be released. If the numbers come out weak, then we are looking at the market thinking of a 50 basis point cut, which would mean panic, and that could in turn push the markets down. So we don't know what's going to happen, but let's take a look at where things are and the Broadcom earnings and the outcome after that. With that said, let's go through the disclaimer and get started. Welcome back, friends. We are in the TradingView platform. We are at the Nasdaq futures, which is down minus 0.94%. Doesn't seem like things are going to improve anytime soon. We'll have to wait for the economic data, as I said, non-farm payrolls, to see which direction it takes. But we have very strong support, the horizontal line of support at 18603.50, and we also have the 200-day exponential, which is at 18626.52. Right now we are above both of these at 18790.5. We'll see how the market goes, but the indication out here in the momentum is low. MACD is also bearish, not looking great. Next, let us look at QQQ, which is almost similar, but I also think that QQQ is going to come down. Right now, we are already down pre-market minus 0.94%. So we are heading towards this zone of support, which is around 450.32 when it comes to QQQ. Next, let's go and have a quick look at genomics this time. We'll do genomics first. Bluebird is down 1.53% pre-market. PACB is down 1.43% pre-market. IMTX is showing no trades at all. DNA is up 0.16%. Prime doesn't have any trades so far. Allogene is up plus 0.40%. Iowa is down minus 0.57%. mRNA is down minus 0.63%. Beam is down 1.24%. All of these are down pre-market. Intelia is up 0.24% pre-market. Editas is down 0.29% pre-market. Altimmune is down further 1.25% pre-market. Caribou Biosciences is down 3.68% pre-market. CRISPR Therapeutics is down 0.82% pre-market. I think I would be looking forward to the 42.84 mark in this case. Bionano Genomics is up 0.88% pre-market. ArcG is down 0.80 pre-market. Grail is up 0.22% pre-market, showing some signs of life out here. So we seem to have found a little bit of a bottom out here. I would draw a line of support out here and say that this is going to be our support going forward. Our next resistance happens to be at 13.66. Right now we are at 13.47. And momentum is picking up even though it is below average, and MACD is still bearish, moving towards the signal line to cross over to the bullish side. Let's see how the market reacts to Grail today. Illumina is up 0.18% pre-market. I'm really gratified to see that it's still sticking to this diagonal line of support. And as I mentioned earlier, we have a cup and handle target of 161.54 for Illumina. Verve is up 1.63%, and Vertex doesn't have any trades so far. That said, let us look at the AI sector. Google is down minus 0.42%, and it has got support at 156.33. Tesla is down 0.46% pre-market. Apple is down 0.45% pre-market. Meta is down 0.36% pre-market. Amazon is down 0.98% pre-market. Microsoft is down 0.67% pre-market. AMD is down 1.29% pre-market, and Palantir is down 0.50 pre-market, and FNGU is down 3.86% pre-market. Broadcom has performed exactly like Nvidia did after earnings. It has dropped sharply, and I think that this is again overreaction. There is still potential in the AI market, so I might pick up some AVGO, but I don't think these stocks are going to improve anytime soon, because remember, we have last 2 weeks of September which are expected to be bad, and then of course October is also typically bad. So I'm going to hold off from that. And then we look at Nvidia. which is down 1.44% pre-market. So the best hope for me is FNGD, which is up 2.91%. But unfortunately, I have bought FNGD at a price point which was much higher. I bought it too early. I should have bought it a bit later. So that's my conclusion right now. Now let us go on to have a look at the headlines that we have out here. And I would say that if we look at our headlines, the elephant in the room is a non-farms payroll that is out today. The consensus is for the non-farms payroll to report a growth of 161,000 for August and a slight decline in the unemployment rate to 4.2%. So if you look at the economic calendar, we still don't have the readout out here. It's supposed to come at 8:30. It's around 8:15 when I'm recording this. And if it comes below the forecast and consensus, I think we are likely to experience the demand for a 50 basis point cut, and therefore the soft landing dreams would be crashed, which means the VIX will spike up and the markets will go down. That's my personal opinion, not financial advice. We have to wait for that and see what happens out there. The next headline is Treasury yields fall as investors brace for August job report. And in that context, what I would say is that yes, the Treasury yields would continue falling as easy money comes in. At the time for locking in a high interest rate deposit or a bond is running out very quickly. So for those people who have that kind of investment, I think if I was having money which has to go into fixed income, this would be the time that I would probably lock in high interest rates and get capital gains also as the yields fall. So that's what I would say. And what else do I have here? Stock market heat map. So if you look at the week's performance, you will see that the AI sector was very red. Consumer defensive has been green, and consumer cyclical has also been green, and utilities have been green. But if you look at the one-day performance as of yesterday, you would see that money has started coming back into the technology sector and into semiconductors, and consumer defensive has become red, and healthcare and biotech, all those areas are red. Utilities are also red. So I think there's a bit of money rotation going on. So with that, I think I'd like to conclude this video and say that the options expiries are upon us, and we have the non-farm payroll data coming up at around 8:30 a.m. this morning. Those are the ones that will decide which way the market is going to go. And I've already given you the idea of where on NASDAQ and where on NASDAQ futures we are going to have, and on QQQ we are going to have a support. So I'm looking forward to that. Of course, friends, these are all my personal opinion, not financial advice. So please do your due diligence before investing. These are turbulent times. I'll catch up with you again with the next video. Bye for now.